I feel your shadows on my skin, like you were never really gone. Your whisper lingers in the wind, a fragile memory holding on. I keep your warmth inside my hands, like glowing embers in the night. But every hour that we're apart steals a little of my life. I still breathe you in, even when you're far. You're the sweetest ache inside my heart. Come back to me, my love. I'm waiting where you used to sleep. Come back to me.